What's up everybody, it's BBaby101. Welcome back to my channel. So it is August, right? So that means it's back to school time, and I'm going to show you how you can get a very glam, natural glam beat for cheap, okay? And all that money on products if you can't, okay? When I first started doing makeup, I started out with BH Cosmetics, which is a very cheap brand. They're just not in drugstores. So, and they always have deals and they always have bundles. So I'm going to be using some of the more affordable products, some that you might find at the drugstore and some that you're going to be able to find online for a deal, for cheap. Yes. So I've already prepped my skin and done my eyebrows, so we're just going to get right to it. I'm going to show you how I do everything as far as like what I start with and all that other stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've already moisturized my face. I've done my brows to the best of my ability, and now I'm going to be going in with the concealer to add base to my eyes to set for whatever shadow I'm about to do, because I don't know what shadow exactly. And I'm going to be using the ColourPop, let's try that again, Filter Banana setting powder to set the concealer. And then I'm going to be using a no filter concealer in dark, number 48 by ColourPop. This is affordable. I do believe that the concealer is $6. Their no filter concealer formula is amazing. You're not going to be able to find that in the drugstore, trust me, okay? But it is drugstore prices, and when they do have deals like for lippies and all that other stuff, their lipsticks, lip glosses could be anywhere from $4 to $6. It's like not that expensive at all. They're just online based. I do believe that you probably can find them in Ulta. Now, I think they're working on it if it's not here yet. Put that out of there. Okay. At the end of this, I'm going to look up the price points. I'm going to look up the price points for this banana powder, because I'm really not sure, but it is still very affordable compared to the setting powders that are actually in the drugstore. Okay, that's set. Let's get started. Glam, I mean, for me, this is like an in and out the door type of look. It's gonna be very quick, but it's gonna look like you tried, trust me. Very natural glam. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my Morphe blending brush, and I'm gonna be taking this, and it has a little bit of sparkles in it, and I don't know if this dark brown here, you're taking this dark brown here, and I'm going to be sweeping that into the crease of my eye, dark brown here, and blend that upward a little bit, like you're going into the brow bone, but you don't want to take it too far in there. So okay, so now that I have done that, I'm going to be taking another blending brush and going in with the lighter brown next to it and kind of blend out any harshness that I see. But now that that has been done, I pretty much have a nice crease base that I'm going to be blending this dark. It has a bit of green specks in it. I'm trying to stick to one palette. I believe this palette was in a bundle, and the bundle was 20 bucks. I got a brush set, this and this palette, and it was 20 bucks, and I think I got 12 brushes. So that's well worth your money right there, because you can use those brushes. It came with big brushes and eye brushes too, like face brushes and all that stuff. So I'm going to be going in with that black with the green glitter. I wasn't trying to do that, but I mean, just to deepen it up a little bit. It's not like a ton of glitter, so that's good. So just deepen it up a little bit. I'm not dragging this all the way into the crease, just the outer corner, and then we're gonna blend it out. Okay, so I am debating whether or not I want to put anything on my lid. I think I'm going to shoot for a matte instead of a shimmer, and I'm going to be taking this beige color here, right here, and I'm going to pack that onto my lid. But I think I'm going to do it very lightly because I don't want a ton of color on my lid. Just enough. These shadows work good enough for your money. Again, that set was 20 bucks. If you look on BH's website, there's always deals somewhere. So if you are a makeup artist just starting out, I would definitely check them out, because when I first started freelancing, all of my makeup came from there because it was just so affordable, you know. But then, you know, people pay for products, so I had to step up a little bit, but it's not like their product is bad either. So, okay, I've laid down what I wanted it to look like. Go out and blend away any harsh lines you see. I'm going to be taking this matte color here as a highlight. Okay. So, that was just using what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors from the same palette, and it gives you this natural smoky eye. Now I usually always line because I'm gonna add some lashes. You do not have to if you don't need them. Have a comment, I need them. Okay. And I'm not going to do it all the way. I'm just going to do it halfway. These are $6 on the website. And it's supposed to be like the answer to the No Filter concealer. And I like to use their products all together. Make sure you moisturize. I moisturize using Pond's, and I got that from Walmart. Okay, so I'm going to be going back in with my ColourPop concealer, and I'm going to be highlighting. I'm taking that banana powder again by ColourPop, and I won't set it for too long right now so that I can get that out of the way. Like, go ahead and have those things drying down. Since I'm not trying to do a super long bake, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that powder off. It's done. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to be going into my blush palette. Now, this was $10 from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be taking this color. Like, I use this color a lot. I find that it complements my skin tone more than the other ones. It's not chocolate girl friendly to me, in my opinion. But this is going to give me some color. So I went ahead and added lashes off camera, which are janky, but these also came from a beauty supply store, which was Sally's, and I believe these are the Ardell, actually these are Allure, and they came from Walgreens, and this is from Nicole Guerriero's collection, the Demis. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get. And if you ask me if I would walk to school with this bead on, absolutely, absolutely. With Hillary, and this is in Stilo. I always choose something that is natural looking. You know, get a girls what they want. The finished look, I did use all of the drugstore products to create this look. I'm so excited for back to school, mostly because that leads to fall, and everybody knows that that is my favorite season of all time, and hopefully this year will be better than the last year. I am speaking that into existence, and everything gets a lot better. I might have a story time for you guys when I am ready to talk about it, but for right now I'm going to be doing some back to school looks. I'm excited for back to school, mainly because my son's going to kindergarten, and I'm excited because and very just sad because he's my baby, and you know they gotta grow up, but you know he was with me this summer, so your girl's tired. Okay, I am tired and I'm ready to see him off, you know. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. This is a chocolate girl friendly look that you can go back in to, and anybody can do it. And if you follow the links to get your products, get them on time, just in time for back to school. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please do what you always do, list them below in the comment section, and turn that notification bell on just so you guys get notified when I upload a new video. I have been inconsistent. Ooh, child. I have been inconsistent, I know, but I have been trying to work through a lot of different things, so I'm trying my best to be more consistent with uploading, and I decided to do different upload days that work better for me. So I'm thinking about doing it on a Tuesday and maybe a Friday or something like that, or a Sunday. But I do plan on being more active since fall is my favorite time of year. I got more ideas, I got more things that I want to do, child. So let's just get into the new school year. Be blessed, stay prayed up. Okay, when things get hard, remember who is in control and who's going to bring you through that. Somebody say amen. Okay, so not to make this video too long, but I do appreciate the support and love that I do get, and I'm happy to be doing what I love to do, and hopefully we'll grow our family into a big beehive. Okay, so until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.